Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by allowing installation from outside the Play Store. Go to Settings and enable Unknown Sources or toggle Install Unknown Apps for your browser. Once done, check your battery is above 50% and connect to Wi-Fi to avoid interruptions. Make sure you back up contacts and app data and have your Google account credentials ready. These steps prevent failure mid-install and let you restore quickly if something goes wrong. So take a minute now to secure everything before downloading APKs. Next, download the matching APKs for your Android version and chipset, Google Services Framework, Google Play Services, and the Play Store. You must install in sequence to satisfy dependencies. Start with the Services Framework, then the core Google Services, then the Play Store, and finalize with Google Play Services. While installing, grant requested permissions and watch for signature mismatches. If the installer warns about an existing app, uninstall updates first. This ordering ensures the system. Finally, reboot your Huawei once all APKs are installed. Then open the Play Store and sign into your Google account. Allow background updates to complete. Make sure apps sync and push notifications work. If something fails, go to Settings, right arrow Apps to clear cache and data for Google Play Services and the Play Store, then reboot again. If problems persist, reinstall the exact APK versions for your device or perform a factory reset only after backing up. Mismatched versions are the most common cause of persistent errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.